Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to put a border on a Word document. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Word document. Then we want to put a border, go to the design menu and click page border option. Now we can see here many options. We click the page border option, then click box, then choose a border in this dialog box. Then press OK. We can see this document put it a border. Now we change the border, go to the page border option, we change the art border, then click OK. Then we change double underline border or 3-line borders, then click OK. I hope you enjoy the video. Please like, comment and share my channel. Thanks for watching.